Distinguished colleagues, I am Amin Waziri Tambuwal, representing Sokoto South Senatorial District. Mr. President, I rise to support this all-important motion as introduced by our colleague, Senator Umeh, and I must commend him. And Mr. President, I want us to remember the situation in the country as at today. Things and times are hard, and manufacturing sector in Nigeria is not in the best of form and shape. And I believe that this Senate and the government of the Federal Republic of Nigeria should do everything humanly possible to support the manufacturing sector in Nigeria, of course, including those in power business. Only when we are able to do that, that we may be able to address the challenges of unemployment that we have in this country. Only when we are able to do that, we may be able to create alternative means and ways of rejuvenating our economy. Only when we're able to do that, that we may be able to save the dollars that we make that are in scarcity, very scarce in Nigeria today, for us to be able to apply them in critical sectors where they are most needed. I support this motion wholeheartedly, and I believe that the World Bank is at a position that they can review this criteria and encourage local production and encourage our local manufacturers so that our economy can rejuvenate. They cannot only just come and advise us to remove subsidy. They should be able to encourage us to promote production within our own local environment so that we can contain all these japas and all these people that are running away from this country. I believe, Mr. President, that this motion is in line and in sync with the situation of the country today, and we need to save more jobs and create more jobs and save more resources for our own local people. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Senatorial District. I stand to support this motion, and the content of the motion also goes with my ideals, because we are trying to encourage local content in this country. And then when the World Bank gives us facilities, they always want us to go to original equipment manufacturers, OEMs. We have local OEMs, so how do we encourage them in order for them to be able to meet all the international standards that the World Bank usually and the international financiers always give as conditions? Until when we empower our own local ones, we have for a very long time have manufacturers of meter in Nigeria. There was one in Zaria, which I know very well. Today they are not functioning. They used to employ over 1,000 people working. They work 24 hours round the clock. Today, they are no more. And we are encouraging where we take loan from World Bank. When the money comes, we take it to China and they empower them. So I think there is no better time that this motion will work than now, when the power sector is working on how to see that every household has a meter. So you said? Protect me, Chairman. Protect me, Chairman. So I think even the World Bank should encourage us to saying that the local manufacturers should be enhanced, should be supported, so that we make our own local industries stronger. And then other African countries can say, oh, there is an OEM in Nigeria that we can extend these supplies to.
So in other words,
I commend Senator Victor Umeh for that motion. The truth is that time has come for us to start growing our local manufacturers, our local contractors. All across, we take loans from China, we take from the World Bank, we take from everywhere, and then they insist that we must use their contractors and their manufacturers. That does not help us to grow. in certain sectors like the maritime, you will find that you have local contractors as well as foreign ones. But the foreign ones get the bulk, no matter how long the local ones have been there. They never grow to the point where they are given the same size or where the foreign ones are phased out. I am insisting that if need be, we should pass up on the World Bank loan, look for loans somewhere else, but we must start growing our own manufacturers or else we will never develop as a nation. I so submit.